Surprise IT invoices create more than budget frustration. They delay approvals, leave tickets unresolved, and force managers to ask why the same workstation issue keeps coming back. JP McCaslin, Sales and Marketing Director at NetGreen Solutions, puts it clearly. The best pricing conversation starts with the work users are waiting on, not just the monthly number. Managed IT services pricing matters because it affects cash flow, service quality, security risk, and accountability. Standard packages often run $150 to $200 per user monthly for monitoring, security services, backup, and helpdesk coverage. But the real question is what that monthly number includes. A strong proposal should clarify response times, escalation paths, after-hours needs, support hour limits, users, devices, cloud, backup, security threat protection, and telecom coordination. Two plans can look similar until a real issue hits. One may include cloud backup, telecom support, and unlimited support hours. Another may charge every time an issue crosses the basic support line. The better way to compare managed IT services rates is by operational risk removed. Delayed tickets slow daily work. Security gaps raise exposure. Weak recovery planning threatens continuity. Wireless issues drain productivity. Split telecom ownership creates handoffs during customer-facing outages. Finance teams also need clear categories: monthly support, cloud and backup, security services, telecom, project work, and anything out of scope. A useful pricing review starts with accurate details about users, devices, locations, cloud hosting, backup recovery, and compliance needs. Managed IT costs become easier to evaluate when each line item ties to a workflow: current tickets, recent invoices, downtime-sensitive systems, ownership, and response expectations. If surprise invoices and unresolved tickets are creating friction, read the full article for a practical pricing framework and add this to your Spotify playlist.